Sofritto is a flavor enhancer, what I call flavor bomb. They're convenient, they're cheap and easy, and they're adaptable to what you have on hand. The basic formula is equal parts of carrot, celery, onion, and olive oil. Next, put all of your cut up vegetables into an Instapot. And add your oil. Seal and set your timer for 90 minutes. At the end of the cooking time, unseal and set your Instapot to sauté. Continue to stir frequently, mashing up the ingredients until you get a thick paste. It should start to stick to the bottom. You could put your sofrito into an ice cube tray, but I think it's easier to use an ice cream scoop to portion it out. Set aside in a freezer to freeze until firm. Store your frozen flavor bombs into a Ziploc bag. Well, now what? Frozen sofrito could be used instead of mirepoix. It goes great in pasta sauces, added to rice and lentils, soups and chicken pot pie and chili, anywhere where you want a long, slow-cooked flavor without spending all the time of simmering away. That's it. Thanks for watching.